Is FFmpeg Project crashing because of the audio-video format 54.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. As we prepare the manual solution for audio-video format 54, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the audio-video format 54, an older FFmpeg demuxing module responsible for separating audio and video streams from container formats. It is used by legacy multimedia tools. If missing, applications may fail to import files and display errors such as unsupported file format. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. If your software is failing because of audio-video format 54.dll, the internal file mapping for FFmpeg Project is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including audio-video format 54. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Manual intervention with audio-video format 54.dll is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to audio-video format 54. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for audio-video format 54, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.